my teeth are set.
Oh, look, there's the vicar. There are times, Richard, when there is a destiny that shapes our ends.
Tell Willie to keep off the sherry.
Vicar! You're heaven sent!
Oh, my God. Morning, Mrs. Bouquet.
A miracle!
Yes, isn't it? How you keep popping up.
I've been clapped.
Typical. Of all the choices, Richard is the one that gets clamped.
You must drive us to Middleton. I'll explain on the way. In you go, dear.
Middleton? I hadn't planned on going to Middleton.
I don't think she's listening.
Take the low road. I shall relay the convolutions of the Commodore's confusions as we go along. So there you have it, Vicar. Mind the pedestrian.
Which pedestrian? Where?
On the pavement.
Isn't that where he's supposed to be?
Oh, too late now, he's gone. Lucky you missed him.
Bad luck being clamped. Swear if you want to. Under your breath, of course.
Thanks, I already have.
So have I.
Excuse me. Have you seen a Commodore?
Is that a type of butterfly?
What have you done with him?
Done with who?
The Commodore. The one that's coming from Rugby.
I haven't seen no Commodores.
I haven't seen any Commodores.
Well, that makes two of us that hasn't seen it.
You've lost him. Really, how careless. I hope they don't transfer you to their Red Star service.
I'm sorry you're having all these problems, Mrs. Bucket. Okay. Where would you like me to drop you off?
Well, it would be wonderful if you could take me to the Manor House function rooms.
That's on the other side of town.
Oh, good, you know it. Oh, that saves me giving you directions.
And if you could drop me at the station on the way, because I must do something about my car.
Yes, of course. It'll be a pleasure.
Would you mind just waiting a moment, Vicar? I only have to tell them about the Commodore. And then, if you'd be so kind, I should be very grateful if you'd just drop me off at home.
But that means going right to the other...
It must be on your way back to the vicarage.
Oh, you off? Wasn't he good? Very entertaining.
Who?
The Commodore. What a good speaker.
The Commodore?
Yes.
You mean he's arrived?
Oh, he was awfully good. And he's so much in demand. We were lucky he could fit us in.
Oh, yes.
He was in Cheltenham last night.
Cheltenham?
Yes, dashed up here on the train from there this morning.
From Cheltenham?
Yes. Oh, that sounds as if it's all over. He'll probably be dashing off back to the station.
Thank you once again, Commodore.
It was splendid of you to give us your time, especially when you're so busy.
Pleasure, I assure you. It's nice to meet such a lot of splendid ladies.
Oh, there you are, Mrs. Bucket. We wondered what had happened to you.
Well, this is the lady who was supposed to pick you up at the station. She volunteered to do